and slickest package possible given the other components in the system, but being successful will require some baseline level of understanding of the systems. A few things to watch out for. You can't plug the head tracker into both a light bulb and USB. This would be an easy and disastrous mistake to make, so we'd really love to see it addressed on a future revision. Also, it's possible for other applications to steal control of the COM port and make it impossible to connect, so during setup, make sure Betaflight, iNav, Mission Planner, or anything else like that is closed. Next, note that the video transmitter plastic mount Motion6 supplies with the unit is set up to have the antennas latched facing down. This works only on some airframe types, and since our setup has lithium batteries directly below the transmitter, we simply hot glued our antennas facing up to the video transmitter itself. Finally, the manual is detailed textually, but was lacking some images for the weaker minded like Ben and I. There is a wiring diagram on their site, but that's all we could find. No biggie, that's what having friends like Cody is for. The Motion6 head tracker does include Bluetooth, which will reduce the number of clumsy wires should you have a transmitter that can do it. Later that week, we got together with Cody again to finalize mounting the unit onto a spare canopy we ordered for the flight Bronco. We removed all the pilots and seats from the stock canopy. We placed a battery strap at the rear of the canopy for the video 1300 mAh 3S Lite pack. This was secured with our favorite UMA grip. Cody did an awesome job with the camera mount. We opted to have the camera oriented forward enough to have the nose just visible on the bottom center of the camera angle. Others, including Robert of Motion6 himself, will set theirs up with a scale and more immersive angle, but for our first time, we opted to keep it simple. We placed the video transmitter behind the camera mount and secured it with servo tape. Finally, we routed the pan and tilt servos through a hole in the canopy that plug into extensions from channel 7 and 8 on our receiver. The wires can stay plugged in if the canopy is left on top of the fuse to avoid constant plugging and unplugging between flights. Now, it's time to fly. Beep is like the buddy box system failing and I have to reset it.
Should be fine.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. There it goes again. See? Ready? Throughout Ben and I's combined lower IQs, we managed to mess up Cody's initial setup of the head tracker unit. Dude. I might